So I'm in Asia, which can only mean one thing. I'm going on Everest. I'll see you on the other side. So I'm online for Expedition Everest. They said about a 10-minute wait, and the line's moving pretty quickly. Hopefully people can remember their social distance cues. So that took like 5 minutes to get here. They're seating every row on the ride, so just be aware. They do have the plastic cues, as you can see behind me. I'm in row 7, so let's see if I can record this. Yay! So here we go, Expedition Everest. I scream a lot, so just a heads up. I'm hoping I can get the whole thing on tape. Yay! Happy birthday to me! I hope you enjoyed riding along with us on Expedition Everest. It's a great ride, lots of fun. So this is Jennifer from Florida Park Explorers saying see you in the parks, and let's keep exploring.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please share the video. We need all the help we can get right now as we grow our channel. And again, thanks for watching.